Hello. Thank you for visiting this channel. If you happen not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell icon. You'll be notified new uploaded videos. Like the hair on your head, eyelashes pursue a development rate design. On the off chance that your eyelashes drop out or are harmed by mascara, culling or coloring, you need to sit tight for them to regrow. While the length and strength of your eyelashes is dictated by hereditary qualities, there are sure characteristic approaches to cause your eyelashes to develop. Vaseline. This elective treatment works similarly as olive oil and castor oil. Spot a touch of it on the base of your eyelashes every prior night, hitting the sac. You can wash it off following 15 minutes on the off chance that you like. You may see new hair development following half a month. Nutrient H, biotin. Nutrient H, biotin, advances quicker hair development and reinforces hair. Nutrient H is a B-complex nutrient that is found in various corrective items, just as specific nourishments. This water-dissolvable nutrient is found in sardines, walnuts, almonds, brewer's yeast, bananas, and entire grains. Also, it tends to be found in egg yolk. Notwithstanding, crude egg whites contain avidin, a protein that denies nutrient H ingestion. Olive oil. Touch a limited quantity of olive or castor oil on your eyelids at the base of your eyelashes consistently to energize longer, thicker lashes. You should begin to see indications of new hair development following a month or two. The new hair development will be more beneficial and more grounded than past hair development. In the case of nothing else, olive oil goes about as a conditioner to improve the well-being of your eyelashes. Antioxidants. Nutrients C and E, two cancer prevention agent nutrients, are significant for ordinary hair development and advancement. Without nutrient C, your hair can get dry and split. Furthermore, nutrient C can square harm to hair from free radicals, so it remains more beneficial and it helps mending and fix. Nutrient E builds scalp flow for a solid scalp. These nutrients are found in citrus natural products, avocados, and verdant green vegetables. Emu oil. Emu oil conditions eyelashes and invigorates longer, thicker lash development. Utilize a cotton ball or Q-tip to spot a limited quantity of the oil onto your eyelashes to condition the hair and invigorate new hair development. Diet. Eating a sound eating regimen plentiful in protein and nutrients enables eyelash hair to develop. Great nourishments to enable your eyelashes to develop incorporate fish, eggs, beans and yogurt. Soy protein is additionally useful for reproducing eyelash development. If you want more, please visit description below. I'll be happy to help you, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you.